Hi, and welcome to the final section of this course, building an application in Rust. In this section, we're going to make a simple console application using some of the concepts that we've learned throughout the course, and we're later going to test it and analyze it step by step. The first video in this section is Minesweeper, program workflow. We will quickly cover what we're going to need to make this application or game. We will also set up the cargo project at the end of the video. So you've most likely come across this game on your old PCs. We won't make a graphic interface for it. We'll just use the input from the terminal and validate it in an infinite loop. So what we'll need is a mine structure that will contain the information about the position of the mine in the mine field, and another property called active that will indicate if the mine is active or not. As I said, we'll also need the mine field for the mines, which will also be another structure with the information about the mine field size and the vector of mines. The mine field structure will need a method to find the mine by its coordinates, to generate a random mine field so it wouldn't be a field with fixed positions, and to print out the mine field with X's and O's in our terminal. It won't be an eye catcher, but the logic of the program is the focus of this application and course section. So let's set up the project first with cargo. Cargo new Minesweeper bin cd Minesweeper, and we'll need a random crate for the random mine positions. We'll put that into the dependency section in the cargo toml file. So let's open it up in Sublime, and we're gonna say rand equals 0.4. I'm gonna say cargo install, and this is gonna take a few minutes. And finally, we'll need a module that will contain our structures, and we'll simply call it structs.rs. So let's cd into the source folder, and let's say touch structs.rs. In this video, we have set up and explained the workflow of our little project.